Okay, Wayne, where are we at?
We're in the dungeon. Now, I haven't been out here for probably 8 years, so I have no idea what we're gonna find. And I'm a little nervous because, you know, Terminator's been sitting here in mothballs. Actually, Terminator's been in mothballs here since 2007. So I don't even quite remember where I'm going, but I think we'll be able to find it. I vaguely remember it's over here.
Yeah, do you know which one it is?
It's gonna be one of these, like to the right, the guy with the red shirt possibly. There's a door on the side. And I sure don't see it. It's this one right here. There it is.
There it is.
Oh my gosh.
There it is. Oh boy.
It's still there. Can you believe it? It's gonna be hard to
just over the edge.
It's gonna be hard to air up the tires if they're flat.
Okay, Wayne, where are we at?
We're in the dungeon.
Yeah,
Where
dungeon.
we found the Terminator. And like I said earlier, I haven't seen it in 7 or 8 years, so it's in excellent condition. It's right where we left it. It looks in pretty good shape. I'm really afraid to open the hood or open the door because we don't know what kind of rodents could have taken refuge inside. But let's see if it's still alive. Well, look at that.
It's alive.
It's a little dirty, but what do you expect after sitting for 20 years?
Do you remember how to get in it?
I have a high-tech solution. Of course, the batteries, I actually removed the batteries before putting away, so there's no electrical power. So we have to use this new technology. Man, there's not enough lighting in here to really see, but it looks in pretty darn good condition.
And what does it smell like? It's got a smell.
Yeah, it just smells a little musty. You know, I see the Allen bolts on the mounting bolts are all kind of rusty, so there's been some humidity in here. But from what I can tell, I mean, I don't see any signs of infestation.
That's a good thing.
I wonder what's on those VHS tapes laying around.
The Thing. Awesome crashes. Are you watching movies when you're driving?
Let's see if we can. There's no way for me to open the back door without electrical power, but maybe I'll be able to see inside. Hey, there they are.
What is there?
Well, I can see the amp rack rotates, and so the side that's facing me is the amplification side. So I see the 6 Power 1000C prototypes, just like I left it. This thing is a time capsule, big time. Man, it's gonna need to be detailed for sure, but we'll do that after phase 1. So on Thursday, we have a flatbed picking it up, and we're towing it to Austin Speed Shop. That's Jesse James' old shop. You may have seen it on some series on TV. They've agreed to completely revitalize the whole drivetrain or replace it, whatever we decide to do. So I want the car completely roadworthy. I mean, I want to be able to drive it anywhere without any worry whatsoever. Plus, I need to make sure that it's fully streetable. That means I need to be able to get it registered and licensed here in Texas. and I don't want any drips, no oil, no transmission fluid, nothing. So we're gonna start by replacing anything that has fluids, gas tank, radiator, fuel pump, you name it. All the hoses, belts, fuel lines. And then I'm hopeful that the professionals over at Austin Speed Shop can give me some suggestions for making it look more like a hot rod. So not only do we want to make it fully streetable, I actually want to convert it into more of a hot rod. It doesn't need the performance of a hot rod, I just want it to look like it has that performance. So now I'm going to try to put some air in the tires, because I'm sure they're really low and we need to be able to get it up so that we can roll it on the trailer.